Listen up, digital age Stoics. You've just stumbled upon a golden treasure. And no, I'm not talking about the latest viral meme. If you've ever caught yourself scrolling through social media, sighing at the pressures of modern life, wondering why you can't just let things go, or simply wanting to care a little less, then you, my friend, are in exactly the right place. Centuries before our modern struggles, a group of brilliant minds known as the Stoics lived by principles that, believe it or not, can teach us to master the art of not giving too many cares. Ironic, isn't it, that ancient wisdom can guide our smartphone-filled, caffeine-driven lives? In the next few minutes, you'll discover 10 simple yet profoundly transformative Stoic principles. They're so refreshing, they might just be the antidote to the chaos of 21st century life. And hey, if you want to be first to uncover more pearls of wisdom like these, go ahead and smash that notification bell and subscribe. What's the worst that could happen? You gain some insight? I dare you, I double dare you to take that step. Welcome to the enlightening world of Stoicism, where old meets new, and where we get schooled in the fine art of keeping calm and carrying on. Now, shall we dive in? Control what's within, release what's within, release what's without. Picture this. It's a rainy Tuesday morning. You've just prepared the perfect cup of tea, and right as you're about to sip, your cat knocks it over. The old you might have fumed, blamed the cat, or even the universe. But here's a Stoic thought to chew on. We suffer more in imagination than in reality, said Seneca. The truth, spills happen. Cats are mischievous. What's within our control? Our reaction. Instead of letting imagination ruin your day, choose to laugh it off and brew another cup. The world will keep throwing curveballs, but your power lies in how you catch them. So next time your Wi-Fi drops during a crucial call, or your pizza arrives cold, take a breath. It's not the event that disturbs us, but our judgment of it. Times 2. Embrace the present moment. Embrace the present moment. Marcus Aurelius once reflected, "Do not let the future disturb you. You will arrive there if you arrive by nurturing the present." We live in the 21st century. Notifications ping every second, and our thoughts race faster than our internet speed. Yet, what do we often miss? The now. Remember walking in the park while your mind was on tomorrow's tasks? Or family dinners where you were lost in past regrets? The Stoics teach us that this moment is a gift. Why squander it? Being present isn't just about attention. It's about truly experiencing life, savoring your meal, listening to your friend, feeling the wind. Let go of yesterday's regrets and tomorrow's anxieties. In life's tapestry, it's the small, stitched-together moments that define our joy. Accept change as nature's course. Have you noticed how effortlessly seasons change? Winter's frost melts to give spring its bloom. Yet when we face change, a job shift, a breakup, a move, we often resist. As Epictetus wisely said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Life is ever-changing, as fluid as a river. Fighting the current is exhausting. Embracing it is freedom. Life's nature is evolution. You are a masterpiece in progress, and every change adds a unique brushstroke to your canvas. So when you hit an unexpected detour, remember, it's all part of the grand design. Detach from external validation. Times in today's world, with every like, share, and comment, we've become hooked on external approval. But consider this from Epictetus. Man is not worried by real problems so much as by his imagined anxieties about real problems. Isn't it strange how we let tiny icons on a screen dictate our mood? Stoicism urges us to find validation from within. Your worth isn't measured by online clout, but by your values, actions, and character. Next time, a post doesn't get the traction you hoped for, or someone sends a snide comment, remember, your value isn't up for public vote. You are your own judge. Times 5. Recognize life's natural cycles. Times loss is painful, whether it's a favorite hoodie, a cherished memory, or a loved one. But as Marcus Aurelius stated, loss is nothing else but change, and change is nature's delight. In existence's vast ecosystem, everything has its season. Trees shed leaves only to sprout new ones. Similarly, life presents endings and beginnings, each shaping us. Rather than clinging to what was, Stoicism invites us to appreciate impermanence. It's a call to live fully, love deeply, and let go gracefully. Every sunset, after all, makes way for a sunrise. Seek growth in adversity. Times, who hasn't faced a challenge, a difficult boss, endless bills, the always late train? It's easy to complain, to wish life were kinder. But Seneca proclaimed, difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor does the body. Think of challenges as life's personal gym sessions for your soul. When hurdles appear, instead of asking, why me, ponder, what is this teaching me? Every adversity carries a lesson, a seed of growth. It's all perspective. If Stoics were around today, they'd probably say, bring it on. Cultivate inner riches. Times. In an age of opulent Instagram feeds and constant displays of affluence, it's easy to equate happiness with material gain. Yet Seneca remarked, it is not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more that is poor. True wealth isn't about the latest gadget or designer label. It's the contentment of the soul, the richness of experiences, the treasure of memories. The Stoics remind us, enjoy life's luxuries, but don't be enslaved by them. In the end, it's the stories we've woven, not the possessions we've accumulated, that truly matter. Times 8, understand and accept fate. Times, I'm not saying you should blindly accept everything. But as Epictetus pointed out, don't demand that things happen as you wish, but wish that they happen as they do happen. Life is a blend of our efforts and the universe's design. Sometimes, despite our best moves, the outcome isn't in our favor. Instead of being crushed by what didn't go as planned, Stoicism nudges us to embrace what is on our plate. After all, the most captivating stories often emerge from unexpected turns. Be of service to others. Times, we live in a world bursting with chances to make a difference. As Seneca reminds us, we are all bound together in a partnership. Stoicism isn't just personal enlightenment, it's about community uplift. By aiding another, we enrich both their lives and our own, whether it's helping a neighbor, volunteering, or simply listening to a friend. Every act of kindness echoes. Remember, it's not just about thriving solo, but elevating others along the journey. 10. Reflect, review, and realign. Times, the bustling world rarely grants us pauses, yet as Marcus Aurelius noted, the happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. Regular reflection is the mirror to our soul. Taking a moment to introspect helps us identify patterns, realign our path, and refresh our perspective. Consider it a regular system update for your life. Ponder your actions, learn from missteps, celebrate small wins. For in understanding ourselves, we pave the path to true contentment. These 10 principles aren't about being emotionless or aloof. They're about fostering resilience, embracing the present, and leading a life of purpose and depth. Times, well, my delightful virtual companions, as we draw the curtain on this journey through the hallowed halls of Stoicism, I can't help but reflect on how these age-old principles fit so snugly into our frantic modern existence. Just goes to show, some truths are truly timeless. Now, I've got a cheeky little challenge for you. In the comments below, share which of these Stoic gems resonated with you most. Did Seneca's wisdom strike a chord, or did Marcus Aurelius feel like your newfound confidant? Let's get this conversation started and learn from each other. But wait, before you dive headfirst into the world armed with this newfound wisdom, I've got a small request. If you found even an ounce of value today, a smidgen of enlightenment, or simply enjoyed our time together, do consider subscribing, giving this video a thumbs up, and ringing that notification bell. Not for vanity metrics, oh no, but so we can continue this dance of wisdom sharing and growth. Life's a journey sprinkled with challenges and surprises, but with the right mindset and a dash of Stoic spice, it can be quite the delightful adventure. Here's to mastering the art of letting go and living with intention and gusto. Until our next digital rendezvous, keep the fire of curiosity burning and the spirit of Stoicism alive. Cheerio.